Here. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite Christmas snack, and it's gonna be easy. So let's get started. But before that, this is what we're gonna make it. So you cannot really see what's in it, but I assure it's really delicious. Here I got 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, and here and 3/4 cups of water. Then I'm gonna add first 1 tablespoon of ube powder, and then 1/4 teaspoon ube food coloring, and then 1/4 ube flavor. After mixing all these ingredients, I pour the water slowly to mix all these ingredients together. First I use spatula. As you see, it's difficult to mix all these ingredients with the spatula, so after this I decided to use my hand to mix the rest of the ingredients. As you see, the mixture is still a little bit dry, so I add additional 1/4 cup of water to make sure the mixture turns like a clay or like a Play-Doh, I would say. After the mixture turns like a Play-Doh or clay, I will use my grater to with a clean container. I'm just gonna get piece by piece to grate the mixture. After I'm done with grating the clay mixture, I will use pre-cut banana leaves with the butter, or if you don't have butter, you can use margarine as well. As you see, I will wrap the ube mix with the banana leaves and place on the container for the steam. And it follows the rest, just like the first one. I butter the banana leaves and add the mixture. When I finished all, I tuck in all of them in the container and I put in the steamer, and it's steamed about 15 to 20 minutes. There you go. We have our first I sprinkle the coconut, grated coconut, and after I'm just gonna put some grated cheese on top, and finally I will drizzle some condensed milk. Guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys can try it at home as well. I made mine and I'm gonna taste it. Wow. I prefer with more coconut. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.